All right, happy Monday, my distance learners, and welcome. You will see that up on my screen, I have your learning plan for the week, and this got posted to you on Seesaw as well. On Monday, it says, first click to watch the video, and it should have brought you here, and this is the video I want you to start with this week. You will notice that there is more this week to do. We are starting to get into our workbooks, our textbooks, and more of our core instruction. So, what I'd like to show you is this. For reading today, and for really the whole week, you'll notice that there's Super Kids reader pages each day. That's your textbook, your hardcover book. There's also Super Kids workbook pages each day. There's backpack pages, which is our homework for literacy in second grade. The ones in pink you need to take a picture of and post on your Seesaw journal for completion points. On Friday, you will click here to take your spelling test. It says AR log 2 quizzes a week. So you logged in to take your STAR test last week. This week you can start taking quizzes on books you read. So your goal is to take 2 quizzes a week on 2 different books you've read. You can take more if you want, but that is your goal. You log in the same way, but instead of clicking the blue STAR button, you'll click the orange AR button to take a test and find your book. All right, also spelling menu. It says 1 choice a day. This is to practice your spelling words for the week, and your spelling words can be found on Seesaw on our classroom newsletter. You are just practice your spelling words 1 time each day using a choice from your menu. Both your AR reading log and your spelling menu can be found in your yellow folder, your yellow take-home folder, so check that out. All right, then it brings me to the last thing for reading that I wanted to chat with you about today. And it says click here for 1 leveled reading passage. So you are going to work on 1 passage a day on Monday. There'll be 1 for Tuesday, 1 for Wednesday, 1 for Thursday, and 1 for Friday. You'll see that there's a password to access this, and it's love to read. You need to remember your uppercase L, the number 2, and uppercase R for it to work. So I want to show you that. So today's Monday, so I'd click here, and it'll take me to a screen like this. It says Distance Learner Fluency Passages. This is the folder you want to be in. Then you would type in that love to read and click verify. Then it will open up, and here you have your passages. So you click on the appropriate day. So today is Monday. So you'd click on Monday, and you will see, boys and girls, your reading passage says read only. You do not have permission to edit this file. So what you would do is you can click that away, and you need to click File. You need to click Download As, and then you can download a copy to your own computer to work on. So you can click Download. If you don't want to work on it digitally, you are also welcome to print this instead if you have a printer at home available, and you can just write it out. But if you want to do it digitally, you can do that. So you click Download. I'm going to pull it up here on my computer. Now I've made a copy, so now I can edit it. And it gives you the directions right on here. It says, directions, read the story 3 times. The more we practice reading, the better we get. Number 2, drag a check mark over a box each time you read. Number 3, drag a oval or type to answer the questions. So let me explain that a little bit more. This is titled Moving. That's Monday's passage. You'll read it 3 times. There's this page, And there's a little bit extra on this page. When I've read it once, I could take this thumbs up and drag it for my first read. When I've read it twice, I could take my thumbs up and drag it for my second read. And lastly, I could click my thumbs up and drag it for my final read. Now, it says, how was the summer Alexa imagined? And the summer Alexa had different. You type your answer. This oval is for you to find the evidence. So if it shows you in the text that answer, you could circle it to help you know what to type. And it says, who made Alexa feel better, her mom or her classmate? And you would pick. So you can choose to print it off and just write all these answers and cross off your boxes, or you could choose to do the digital version, which I'm showing you now. For now, you do not need to turn this into me. For now, this is just a way to practice reading good fit passages, okay? So if you have any questions about that, we can talk on Thursday, but that is how you complete your fluency practice every day, all right? All right, so happy learning today.